best moment for me participating in Anugerah Hijau 2012 is meeting new friends from other schools and other universities, and at the same time there's one part where I got the chance to meet Lara Arifin from Novista Sunjang Berhad.
Because I have the chance to actually experience doing fashion at last. Because before this I had no chance and experience in fashion, and I really wanted it so bad. So yeah, it's the best opportunity actually.
I was really happy when Lara Arifin, like she said, beautiful film, and then the other judges also commented and they said they really like it. I think that's one of the best feedbacks that I could get for doing something that I like.
Being a business student, I have no background in fashion, so it took me a lot of times and it took me a lot of trials before I can actually visualize what I want and produce a real dress, a green fashion dress that my model can wear. So that is the best moment for me.
I learned 3 things from that camp experience in Lancang. The first thing is, of course, sustainability is very important. Well, because of the environment, you have to consider green in every single aspect.
From there, I learned a lot of new experience. Particularly, it's about saving the nature, trees, animals, and orang asli there.
Second point is, the mentors in Anugerah Hijau are very cool actually.
If you're a youth and you join this, I think it gives you a lot of learning experience, and the learning curve is quite steep, I think.
And the third thing that I learned from this experience, the most memorable thing, elephants are very hairy.
For those who like to join Anugerah Hijau this year,
I did last year and it was very amazing. And for this year, the path is now open for you.
So if you have the same situation as me, where you had no chance to actually pursue your passion,
Because basically you have nothing to lose, but plenty to gain.
It's a good opportunity for you guys to show your talents and to gain your knowledge on these green related issues in Malaysia.
So I encourage whoever out there watching right now, and to the youth especially, to participate in Anugerah Hijau competition, and I believe you will succeed.